back with Slime Maker, and today we're going to be doing a slime smoothie. So today I have some special guests here, my sister Ariana and my friend Brittany. She also has a channel named Brittany Rap, so go check that out. I'll leave you in the link below. So let's get started with the video. So first up we have this normal slime. Yo primero voy. And it's really stretchy and it has a lot of glitter.
¿Yo lo puedo mezclar? Espérate. Le van a hacer potecitos hasta que hagas más.
Yo la voy a poner toda. Let's put layers. You do the other one.
Ok, yo hablo español y inglés. Un poquito inglés.
Haga esta. Esta.
Ok. El siguiente es este. The next one is this one. It's a little bit sticky, but it's so stretchy. Oh, stick to mine. So, I'm gonna put a little bit inside. Oh. Okay.
Next is this jiggly slime. I'm just gonna dump it all in because there's barely anything in here. So you are gonna do it, yeah. So because this is just a little, so I'm just dumping it all in so I can put the rest in here. So my sister's gonna put this in. It's this little sticky in here. Hurry up.
Put inside.
Put it inside, Ariana.
I can't.
Do it. Go.
I can watch
Go.
you just add magic.
Yeah, Ariana, why aren't you putting it? Go wash your hands. Go.
My sister is
Okay.
making her YouTube videos. Hey, say it.
Hi.
And that, she's going to be helping me when she's...
Next up
Done.
is this other slime.
Okay?
Which is
¿Cómo es este?
it has
Fluffy, es fluffy. Sí, es fluffy, ¿no?
It's fluffy.
Whoa, it's sticky. A little bit. It's a little bit sticky.
It has little balls. Look, it has little balls. Okay. So yeah,
Inside.
Okay, I want to put that.
this one is sticky, so I'm gonna put this one in. You can do the other one. Okay, so let's get a piece of that in there. What am I saying?
That's a lot.
So yeah, let's get this in here.
It's sticky to see.
That's sticky.
It's a little sticky. You're just gonna put it right there. Yeah.
Okay. El siguiente es este. Es crunchy slime. De este no voy a mezclar tanto porque no me tiene bolitas.
So yeah, we mix that in there.
Okay.
This is how it's looking right now. Esta ya la hice yo. So now we're moving on to this one.
That's sticky.
No, it's not.
Okay, and that's
This is a fluffy slime.
fluff
It's
line.
really stretchy.
Can I touch it to take the lines out?
Okay, I'm doing that because I like fluffy slime. Because
So my sister's doing this one. Let's just get a piece of that. Put it right there.
Y yo puedo mezclarlo ya que termine. Yo lo puedo.
No, yo lo voy a hacer. Y tú después
wait
le das
there.
un poquito.
Let's see the
Okay.
O las tres lo hacemos a la vez.
Ay, yo no sé.
Ok, acá está el smoothie.
Okay. Ow. Me están apretando.
¿Este?
No. Yo voy a hacer eso.
Ok. Este es el siguiente.
Fluffy.
Puede, Ariana, te toca darte. Bueno, voy a mezclar mucho de este porque este está bien grande. ¿Está bien así? Así voy a mezclar.
Ponelo ahí. Porque como tiene mucho.
See, I want to play with that slime.
Can you wait?
Can you
This is a fluffy, jiggly one. It's kind of a little sticky.
Mr. Too much
Yeah.
for that.
so much sticky?
It's a little bit sticky.
A little. Can I take this out?
No! You can take it off when it's your turn.
The
Bam.
Okay. Good.
We're just gonna dump this in here. I don't want this no more. We're just gonna put this much in here.
¿Por qué tú pones tanto ensayo video? Ay, qué rico se nos está así que está todo.
Okay. So yeah, this is how much we're putting in.
It's really sticky, but that's okay. My turn.
Ok, te no Ariana porque está muy sticky.
I don't care just that so I'm gonna be sticky. That's
Ya,
it.
este no está sticky para Ariana.
I thought
Super
of
sticky forever.
Huh?
I had to like do it like 4 times.
Mira, este para
it.
Ariana.
Okay. I wanna
That's for sister.
stop
So
it.
this is from my sister, so she's gonna mix this in.
Oh no, they're here.
Put it in here. Put it right here. Right here.
We're here?
Ok.
So this is how it's looking right now. It's really cute. Oh no. Go. No, you want to say it?
Okay, the next one is this one.
It's
It's
fluffy.
purple and
Fluffy and
it's
jiggly.
so fluffy, and at the time
At the same time, it's jiggly.
es jiggly. Eso fue el slime, no fui yo. El slime sí tiene un placer.
It's fine.
Ok, pongo mucho así. Añadir esto.
One in medio. So this is how it's looking right now. It's looking really pretty.
Okay.
On to the next one.
I want to do that.
And the last one.
Yeah, this is the last one.
I want
It's a foam. It's a foam slime. It has foam beads in it. See, as you can see, it has foam beads. Just get it done.
I never do that floor.
No tan grande.
So no let me. Look at that baby one.
So this is how much I'm grabbing. It's kind of a little hard. Because I haven't used it on. Tengo que poner algo aquí porque no cara todo esto se lo cae. Ariana, you're squishing me. So now we're going to mix this in. But I'm going to put it right here so you guys can see it.
¡No mezclen! Yo lo quiero mezclar ahora. Ya.
Just put it right there. I can't see.
Lo otro lo mezclo.
Mariana.
Even
Ariana's turn now. Mix it, go like that. Just go like that.
Y yo voy a mezclar lo último.
So this is how it looks. It's a really cute color right now.
And it's big.
Yeah, and it's big. But what I don't want is what I don't want is that it turns brown.
Oh, I'm doing this challenge with me.
Not every.
I know, but I don't want it to be brown. I don't want it to turn out brown. So
Okay, it's like that.
let's put it.
I want to keep it.
No, déjala que ella juegue con esa.
Silly, I can keep this one.
No, right. I'll give you another one. I'll give you another. Wait.
I want to keep this one.
Ok, espero que les haya gustado el video. Ya me voy de acá, que ella siga el video.
So, this is how it's like turning into. Let me just. Oh, this is how my sister's mixing. Son las 7. Las 7. Las 7:20.
So I can keep this one, okay?
No, wait. You have to wait. You're gonna keep it, but wait. Okay, so this is how it's turning out.
Blue.
I really like this one. Really stretchy. It has a lot of different things.
It's so
Okay.
sticky.
This is too sticky for you. So as you can see, my sister does not know how to play with slime. She does not know. Okay, this is how it turned out. And yeah. Just go wash your hands instead. Sorry. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Leave thumbs up, leave comments down below, and I'll leave in the description below what's my friend's YouTube video. It's Brittany Rap, but I'll leave in the description below. Thank you for watching and bye.